Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to install your eSIM directly via the Jett-On app on your iPhone. Before starting, make sure that your device supports eSIM is unlocked and has a stable internet connection. Let's purchase your eSIM using the Jett-On app. First, open the Jett-On app on your iPhone. Next, select the country you're traveling to and tap to proceed. Now, you'll see different data packages. Pick the one that best suits your needs and tap on it. Review the package details carefully. When you're ready, tap Complete Order at the bottom. Enter your credit or debit card information and complete your payment securely. Congratulations! Your eSIM is now ready. A QR code has been generated for your activation. Now let's install the eSIM on your iPhone. Whenever you're ready to install it, simply tap on the My eSIM section. You will see all the eSIMs you have purchased. Select the one you want to install. Tap View QR Code. Then tap Activate eSIM to begin installation. Tap Continue to start the eSIM activation process. Please note, installation time may vary depending on your Wi-Fi connection. Once installation is complete, tap Done to proceed. For your main number, select Primary and tap Continue. If asked iMessage and FaceTime, choose your primary number. For mobile data usage, select your newly installed eSIM. To avoid unexpected charges on your primary line, make sure to turn off data switching. Congratulations! Your eSIM setup is now complete. Enjoy seamless connectivity with Jett-On. Now let's activate your eSIM for mobile data. You can complete these settings once you arrive at your destination country. Next, open your iPhone settings to finalize your eSIM setup. If you haven't already, we recommend giving your new eSIM a name like Jett-On for easier identification. Tap on your newly installed eSIM profile. Turn on data roaming to start using your mobile internet abroad. Make sure your Jett-On eSIM is selected as the active line for cellular data. That's it! You're now connected and ready to enjoy seamless internet wherever you go with Jett-On. If you need any assistance, you can reach out to us via WhatsApp or email at support@jetton.com. We're here to help you.